I got pulled over, and also I have a gun in the car. So that's the cop, and I won't be showing you the gun until I'm totally done. Just basically what you do is you remain quiet. You're very cooperative, and you don't have to disclose about the rifle, and you should be good. So basically that's exactly what I'm doing. I don't and everything gonna be good. So I'll show you the cop again. That's the officer, and the gun is literally right under there, which I will show you when everything is cleared. Now I just pull out in the driveway, and pretty much this is the rifle. And what I did was I throw these on top of it. These are the mat. As soon as I got pulled over, I throw those things on top of it. Now, the thing is, you're not supposed to disclose, to the police officers that you have a rifle in the car. It's not mandatory. It's not recommended at all by the state of New York. Just do what you got to do. And basically, you won't be in trouble, but there's going to be questioning. Like, there's going to be more questions, and depends on the cops. They might make it harder for you in terms of you have to go to court. They're trying to figure out where's your, or just all the paperwork. Anyway,